Jake, what are you doing?
He's right up under there, so we're letting that further in there. I saw him. He came under the
Is it all going?
Jake, tell everybody what we're doing. Okay, yeah, put mine right there. I just want you to tell everybody what we're doing.
We're getting ready to do a squirt fight.
What's a squirt fight?
Well, get that sharp thing. Just the sharp.
Isn't there another squirt gun in that over there? Mommy's having trouble.
Daddy.
Yeah.
This one? Push it. There you go.
I'll work the hose.
Huh?
See,
I'll
now
work the hose.
Watch.